Let's get the elephant out of the room over immediately. So Omicron has produced what kind of reaction to your millions of users?
So, we are actually in a very fortunate position because we serve people with the opportunity to find connection when there's a lockdown or when the markets are completely reopened. So this is not a stay-at-home stock only or a reopening stock only. This is a business that truly serves such a wide TAM in all circumstances. Demand does not change when these variants pop up. Demand does not change with different restrictions. People need love. People need connection. That does not go away, irrespective of the changing landscape of this pandemic. So our business remains largely unaffected during this new wave.
All right, I want to be sure, because when you spoke recently at the NASDAQ Investor Conference, a virtual one, you did mention that in Europe, there are some issues like when restaurants close or some issues in Paris. But you do, again, call it an opportunity, that Europe is different, but it's still working for you.
So listen, things change, but we have opportunities on both sides of the coin. So what we mean by that is, as restaurants and venues shut down, we might lose our opportunity to send people offline to Bumble meetups or Bumble parties, but we can take that digital. We actually built a bevy of features during the pandemic, such as Night In, which is a game to play with your matches when you're dating from home, or even this reinforced focus around video dating. So even though you might not be able to run down the street to your local cafe, you can still hop on a video date on our products. So the landscape changes, yes. However, we have features and levers to pull when these markets do experience more trouble when it comes to getting people out the door. But then alternatively, what's so interesting about these very same features is how they shapeshift when markets open back up. So quick example would be the video chat. When markets open again, as women in particular are ready to go date again, instead of using that video feature to have an at-home date, they're using it to vet their matches, to make sure they have chemistry before going and wasting an hour of their life at the coffee shop. So it's really fascinating to see how online dating is taking such a front row in people's relationship building during, in the midst of, or even after these markets open and close.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.